I'm indeed excited this morning. Like the Vice-Chancellor had said, when the notice was brought forward, my immediate response is, given your brand and the several kids that you've given birth to, starting with Lagos just makes a lot of sense. But Lagos should now not constitute a burden, while you don't have access to other people. So let's quickly put the Lagos touch receiving ceremony, let's put it behind us before Christmas season.
We want this one to be a city game, not to be localized only to Akoka. We'll be using other facilities in Lagos, like the Teslim Balogun Stadium, Roe Park, other facilities that we have in Lagos. So that, because we are expecting nothing less than 10,000 people, students and officials, to attend, and you know what that means. It's a lot of the population that
will indeed be opening up our doors, to ensure that Lagos State support you extensively. You've identified some facilities already, the stadium, the Roe Park. Indeed, to mention, if you had waited a bit more, we'll have given you a lot more facilities. Because as we speak currently, we're building 9 or 10 stadia, concurrently in the states.